Air Innovations manufactures the most innovative and highest quality humidifiers ever created. Air Innovations introduces the Ultrasonic Clean Mist Smart Humidifier, Model 901DA tabletop and floor standing humidifier. It has a 1.6-gallon tank infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor to help prevent microbial growth on the surface of the tank and base, an aromatherapy tray to fill your home with calming fragrance, a permanent ceramic filter that never needs to be replaced, a convenient top fill tank, a dual directional mist nozzle, 15-inch extension nozzle, built-in humidistat, programmable on and off timer, and an out-of-water shutoff. The ultrasonic cool mist technology means it's completely silent and safe to the touch, and it even runs up to 100 hours on one tank. That's almost 13 nights of sleep before you have to refill it. That's one of the longest-running humidifiers available for its size on the market today. Here's a look inside. What you are seeing is cool mist technology in action. It comes with a permanent ceramic filter, and the tank and base are infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor to help prevent microbial growth on the surface of the tank and base, sending water to the ultrasonic atomizer to create a plume of cool, refreshing moisture. Because it's so affordable and efficient, you can put one in every room in your home. Air Innovations, the leader in humidification technology.